Welcome to this vlog. I didn't give it a proper intro. I hope you're well and that. Might as well put this in the old vlog ski. Yeah, I got a new phone. I got the S21 in Phantom Violet, so I'll open it up now. This is the release day actually, so I'm lucky to get it. I pre-ordered it, so lucky to get it on release. So here we go. Looks very sleek, very cool. Quite like the colour. Not the best colours on this one. It's not going to beat that, is it? But yeah, it looks good. Let's give it a go. Hello everyone, I can't actually remember what the storyline of this vlog is so far. I think maybe I've just like shown my phone. I think that's pretty much all I've done. Have sent the pack code across, or the PAC, whatever that stands for, phone access code across, but my number's not transferred across yet, so I'm still sort of using both at the moment. Anyway, next part of this vlog, I thought I'd show you, we're doing pizza one day this week, so let's show you the beginning of the process, I guess. So I've got the individual portioned up pieces. I'm going to do a half recipe because we've always got way too much, so this should be way better. So yeah, I'm going to start making the dough, and I guess I'll show you the dough. But it's basically like water and flour and yeast and that, so yeah, let's do it. I'm really getting to grips with homemade pizza by this point, and one of the things I'll try and film, see how well it actually goes. I mean, lights there, I'll try and film this, I don't know. One of the things that is most important is creating a tight ball to actually getting like a circular dough, because my early pizzas were always misshapen and not perfect circles, and so you would have probably seen people doing this, like this motion, but maybe not explaining what you're actually doing. So what you're doing is very slowly you're pushing the dough underneath itself whilst rotating to sort of seal it on the underside, and this creates what they say is like a tight ball, so all of the dough around here tightens, not DC tightens, you know, tightens, and that is what is going to really help keep the circular shape, and it's going to make it easier to form when you actually get the dough ball out later. So rather than just slapping it in the container like that, which is just nothing, this tight ball, try and get it as tight as possible. Got a dish. In fact, that's actually fallen over, so let's just see if we can, there we go. Nice. And then this is a slow ferment. So it'll have, I'm only doing 2 days this time instead of 3, which is usual. I'm going to do 1 day on the countertop like that, and then 1 day in the fridge. There we go. Busting out the Among Us snacks, because we're about to play Among Us. I'm actually going to play it on Switch for the banter. Also, we're going to have cottage pie for dinner. And yeah, we had Adam Ragusa's last time. It was good, but I might try a different recipe. I assume it is in here. I mean, I've not actually checked. I mean, it's going to be a comforting 54. It's going to be in the orangey bit, isn't it? Beef and spinach cannelloni. Cottage, oh, beef and vegetable gratin. Sounds interesting, actually. Bolognese souffle, Greek baked pasta. Beef and cheese cobbler. Layered beef and feta. Braised beef burgers, new beef with garlic potatoes. Cottage pie, there we go. Right. So what are the mushrooms, no beef. Oh my god, the seasonings in this is just sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. That's not very interesting. I might just make it up myself then. I mean, I know roughly what to do. I might just make it up myself. I wonder if there's anything I can add, like a secret ingredient. I need to ponder on that. But I've been alone with like Jordan as well. I've been alone with people. I think I've been alone with. I've not done on mine. Oh, fuming, absolutely fuming, pathetic. 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 So there are the pizza doughs from earlier. Don't know how long it's been. 6 hours probably, something like that. What time is it? Oh, it's 9:15. It's not 6 hours, about 4-5 hours. Good, fine. Today we are making cottage pie. Can't remember if I mentioned that earlier. But here is the cottage pie, the beef mix with a seasoning, flavours of taste in there. And yeah, I decided to actually do potatoes because we had potatoes that sort of needed using up. We do have this Idahoan, and it is good, but we have potatoes that needed using up, and this isn't going to quite cover the size pan that I'm using, because I thought maybe we could have leftovers for tomorrow as well. So yeah, just waiting for the potatoes to boil so I can mash them. Okay, the cottage pie has now been finished, and here it is. It's got breadcrumbs and cheese on top, so it's got like a crispy top. It looks and smells very nice, very toasty, cheesy. Right, so let's yeah, I guess you're not supposed to put butter in. I guess you're not supposed to put cheese on top of cottage pie, but I have, so. So this is cool, guys. So this is Stuart's YouTube channel, Dweezil Van Zafir. So this particular video is some original music that people can use for TTRPG, tabletop role-playing games. So yeah, it's really nice and really cool that Stuart is helping the community. Excuse me, the community. So go and check out the channel, guys. Give it a like. I just gave it a like on here. Look, pop. Yeah. Oops. What have I done? Oh, paused it. Oh, there's a pause. I didn't even know that. It is obvious on there. Oh, pure butts. This is pure butts. There we go. Look, I have seen that, but I don't think I've ever used it. That's good. Cool. Anyway, yeah. Dweezil Van Zafir. Go and check it, because he also does like covers, like bardcore covers, like. Oh, this is. There we go. So that's like old style sort of covers. It's really good channel. I don't think I've shown this yet either, actually. So this is the Ninjago City Gardens. Let me get an instruction manual so you can actually see what it looks like. It looks like that. Really nice. So I'm starting this level here now. I'm on bag 11 of 25. And I've been doing it just under a week, I think. I think I started it on... I might have started on Sunday, actually. So yeah, maybe I have been doing it a week, because it is Sunday today. Anyway, yeah, just starting this bag here. So we've got this little ice cream man to build. Pop my phone over there in the phone hub. Yeah, oh, this is worth showing as well. Look. So I've got this finally reading Jason Aaron's run on Avengers. I haven't started reading it yet. This is volume 1. Nice thick paper. This is, I think this is American, this version here. Oh no, this is the UK version. Maybe the other ones I've got are the American versions with thinner paper, which is a bit of a shame. But yeah, in any case, this is Jason Aaron's run on Avengers with Ed McGuinness. Now, Ed McGuinness unfortunately doesn't draw every story arc, which I say unfortunately because Ed McGuinness is sort of like my second favourite artist. He, as you can see, he does really thick, cartoony lines. Really muscular. Oh, it looks sick, mate. And Jason Aaron is a brilliant writer, so I'm really looking forward to reading that. So I've got several volumes, and then I've also asked for my birthday from Claire. I've asked for some more volumes, so hopefully I'll be caught up soon. I think there's about 7 volumes out at the moment. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to reading them. Good morning, guys. It's now Monday. Dough check-in. Risen nicely overnight. I'm going to put them in the fridge. I'll put them in the fridge now, and then I'll probably get them out this time tomorrow, because we're having it for dinner tomorrow. But the dough needs to come back up to room temperature before shaping and being made and all that. So yeah, happy with that. It's good, it's good. Cool. Oh boy, quite a full fridge. So this isn't like a dinner vlog like that one from the week or two ago, whenever it was, but here is what we're eating for dinner today. So it's like an Indian spiced salmon with this sauce. It's like a yogurt, coriander, lime and salt sauce with some nice fluffy basmati rice and some, there's a vegetable medley. So green vegetable medley with lemon and herb butter, so it should be nice. I'm pairing mine with the X Gamer Steve's Sour Apple, which they sent me, so thanks to them. Actually, if you do, I don't know if you like energy drinks or X Gamer, but they actually given me a code, which is FRUC10 if you want money off. Might as well just shout it out, because actually they're rather good. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to eat this now and hopefully it won't be horrible. So guys, today is the day that the pizza will be made. I think I mentioned these, the Mutti brand. Absolutely amazing brand. They also do just like tin tomatoes as well. Their tin tomatoes are the best quality you can get. I mean, I've literally bought tins before that are £3 for a tin, and these are, you know, more expensive than normal tins. These are about £1 a tin, but you can also get them in multi-packs, which brings the price down. But I mean, these are better than the £3 a tin ones. These are such a good quality. Like, you sort of see on the packet there, that image, that is literally what they look like. No skanky green bits or you dodgy. They taste great. So yeah, we're trying some of their ancillary products sort of, you know, soon. Most principally the pizza sauce with oregano and basil. That other one in there doesn't have, I don't think it's got any herbs in, but yeah, we're going to go herbs this time, so it's going to be pretty good. I don't think I'll show you the process of making it because it will be a bit hectic, but I will show you, I'll try and remember to show you the finished article. Just in case I forget to record the actual pizza, here's some garlic bread. Very nice. Look at that crust. And here we go, here is Claire's. I think visually it's probably the best looking one I've done. Underside looking very nice as well. Yeah, perfect really. I'm going to go and serve it to her now. And then here's mine. Check the old underside again, looking nice. So yeah, very happy. So I've gone to check the vlog, and yeah, like, I just hope you enjoyed watching me make pizza and like made a few other meals, and then we talked about like my comics and rooms and whatnot, and yeah, just like hope you have a nice time. Thanks for watching this vlog and appreciate you watching. See you later, goodbye.